Hi, now I'm going to show you how to use function average in Excel. Let's go to Excel. Okay, I'll just delete this one. Okay, we have a set of students here, 6 students, and we have about their respective marks. Okay, so now I'm going to do how to do average of these marks for the whole students. Okay, let's see. I put average. This what we are going to calculate now. Okay, average. The function is for using a function, it is a formula, so starting with the equal to sign, then what you need to do is you need to use the function name average, which is here. Then average, you want the number 1, number 2, number 3, the whole number or the number range from the B2 to B7, then close the bracket, enter. You see 80.5. this is the average marks scored in the class. Okay, assuming that the class has only 6 students. Okay, all these 6 students average mark is 80.5. This is the way you can use the average function. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.